Let's look at the question. April purchased a Raven sweatshirt for $45. This was 30% off the original price. What was the original price of the sweatshirt? For a problem like this, I need to understand how sales and sales percentages work. If it was 30% off the original price, the most direct way of looking at it is that means 70% was actually paid, because 30 plus 70 is 100. So we say instead, if 30% was off the original price, that means 70% was actually paid for. And we know what the new price is, so we're going to use that to figure out what is the original price. Or I'll think of it in general terms as whatever is paid is a certain percent of the original amount in regards to sales. For a sale, you only pay a certain percentage of the original. Obviously, you don't pay the full amount. So what was paid? $45 was paid for the sweatshirt. Is this interpreted as an equal sign? Now what percent do we use? We are told that 30% was sale. So that means instead that 70% was actually paid of the original amount. 30% was taken off. That still leaves us with 70% of the original amount. So I change it to a decimal by dividing by 100. The effect is it moves the decimal point 2 spaces to the left, which gives me 0.7 or 0.70. It was interpreted as multiplication. The original is what we are trying to find out. That's how much we're trying to figure out is, or what the sweatshirt was originally worth. So to get that, I'm solving the equation. 45 equals 0.7x. So to solve for x, I'll divide each side by 0.7 to isolate my variable. When I do, I divide 45 by 0.7. I'll get 64.2857. Now, since we're dealing with dollars and cents, and we have no other rounding instructions, by default, I'll round this to 2 decimal places. So I'll say 64 and 29 cents. Then was the original price. So a sweatshirt that was originally $64.29, 30% off, allows for the payment of $45.